Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, August 28, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, August 28, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 28, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, August 28, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for August 28, 2024, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, August 28, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.